How do you download Zoom program into an Android phone? On any Android phone, you ought to have a Play Store icon somewhere on one of your screens. It looks like the one in the center of this screen here, which says Play Store. Click the Play Store button, and it opens you up to the search parameters of your particular program. All you need to do is type in Zoom, Z-O-O-M. Then you hit the eyeglass symbol right next to the keyboard at the bottom right hand corner of the keyboard. Alright, now once you've done that, it pulls up the Zoom program. Zoom Cloud Meetings is what you want. So the next thing we do is hit install. After hitting install, it may take anywhere from a couple of seconds to a few minutes. Once the green line has gone all the way around to the other end, where it says cancel, will turn to open, will change to open. Okay, we don't want to push the open button. Once it's finished processing, once it's finished the installation, we want to go to the main screen. Okay, still installing. Okay, you don't want to click the open button. You want to go back to the main screen. Mine is by hitting the center circle down at the bottom here. Not the arrow to the left, not the square to the right, but the circle in the middle. And as you see, it pops up, turns to the screen where the Zoom icon is. So you go ahead and click or tap Zoom, and it opens you up to the Start a Meeting page. On the Start a Meeting page, it has down at the bottom, surrounded by blue, Join a Meeting. That's exactly what we want to do. So we go ahead and press Join a Meeting. At the top of the next section that pops up, it says Meeting ID. Now you want to type in the meeting ID, which will be sent to you as well as a password. For this one, it is actually 799-4565-7340. And as you see, as you type in the remainder of the numbers, Join a Meeting pops up in blue. Actually, it pops up in white with a blue background. Go ahead and tap that, and it will open up a little white panel that says Meeting Password. Tap where it says Meeting Password if your keyboard is not already up, and go ahead and type in the password, which should be about 6 digits. On this one is 281595, and then press OK. Once you pressed OK, it'll ask you a few questions like, please allow Zoom access permission. You do want to do that because you want to show the video and you want to hear audio also. So you press got it. Okay, allow Zoom to take pictures and record video. Yes, allow. Okay, now what pops up is, as you can see, my face on the screen right now. Now at the bottom here, it says join with video. You do want to join with video. So we go ahead and tap join with video. And then allow record audio. And you're done for the day. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video and have a great day.